Derivation, this write to me. Derivation of Ohm's law based on free electron model. Derivation of Ohm's law based on free electron model. So first, what we want to derive, हम लोग को क्या पकड़ना चाहिए? Sitting properly, everyone. Good morning. Okay. So what we want to prove it? So I am writing. We want to prove that R equal to ml divided by n e square a 2. This we want to prove. हम लोग को इस prove करना चाहिए. ठीक है? What is R? Resistance of the conductor. M mass of the conductor. L length of the conductor. And number of electrons present inside of the conductor. E charge of the conductor. A area of the conductor. Tau
relaxation
time in between the two successive
collisions.
Otherwise relaxation time of the movement of electron. Listen here. I am just considering a conductor. Length is L, area is A, connected to a cell. Whenever I am connecting to a cell, which one is present? Whenever cell connect हो गया तो क्या present होगा? Very good. Electric field is present. Always electric field direction is
positive to negative.
Positive to negative. So मैं कैसे मार्क करेगा? इस टाइप से. Almost इंटीग्रेट में ABCD टाइप से इस साल में आप लोगों का मन में है. Whenever the cell is present, electric field is present. Direction of electric field is positive to negative. Okay? अभी मैं बोल के तरह होगा ना आप लोगों को. ठीक है. Then current direction is positive to negative. Then how to mark the arrow like that? Am I right? Then we will come back to the negative. So what is the inside of the conductor? Atoms are here. Inside of the atoms, electrons and protons are here. Cell is connected. That's the reason electrons are moving in
Negative to positive.
negative to positive with a proper direction. Randomly move नहीं करेगा. Am I right? So electrons are moving like that. Clear everyone? This is our basic content. Clear? Then my next step. Maybe we are providing the temperature. Maybe we should providing the temperature. What happened? The vibrations of the electron, otherwise the movement of the electron increases. Am I right? Maybe the electron movement increases. Collisions increases. Relaxation time
Decreases.
decreases. That's the effect.
Resistance
That's the effect. Resistance
increases.
increases. Clear everyone? Yesterday we should study this same topic. I repeat once more. Temperature increases. Collisions increases. Tau means
Relaxation time.
Collisions increases means in between gap is less. That's the reason relaxation time decreases. Relaxation time decreases. Maybe the relaxation time decrease. Resistance increases. Resistance increases. I'm just adding a new point for you. Listen here. This much yesterday we should study. We should adding a new point for you. Maybe the electron will be getting charges. Otherwise, from the cell current mila, the electrons are start to moving. So that time the electron have a velocity. Am I right? After the bombardment, maybe you should think like that. This is my electron, first electron. Okay? This is my second electron. So two electrons in my hand, both in the inside of the conductor. Okay? It will be getting a energy or temperature. Temperature बाहर से आ रहे temperature is given to the conductor. The electron vibrations पहले इस टाइप से था, पहले थोड़ा सा था इस टाइप से था. Temperature मिलने के बाद movement increase हो जाएगा, collision होगा. So देखो collision के पहले it have a velocity. Movement is means it have a velocity, it have a acceleration. Everyone clear है ना? Am I right? Okay. So it will be collide. What happened? This velocity is decreased and decreased, come to zero. Idea मिला? Collision के बाद electron movements, electron velocity come to zero and the electrons are come to rest. Clear everyone? Then so first temperature मिला, collision भी हो गया, rest में भी होगा. Then that time second temperature will be coming. Clear everyone? Step by step the temperature will be coming. हम लोग 25 डिग्री देते हैं तो पूरा 25 at a time चलेगा, नहीं है ना? Continuously it will be getting. So it will be rest. Then second temperature will be increase इंक्रीज होगा, मूवमेंट इंक्रीज होगा, वेलोसिटी इंक्रीज होगा, एक्सेलरेशन इंक्रीज होगा, कोलाइड होगा, फिर भी कम टू जीरो। इसका मीनिंग क्या है? वेलोसिटी नॉट टू इंक्रीज ग्रेजुअली हाई, हाई में नहीं जाऊंगा वेलोसिटी। एक्सेलरेशन इज नॉट टू इंक्रीज ग्रेजुअली हाई, एक्सेलरेशन भी हाई में नहीं जाऊंगा। मिलेगा, कोलाइड हो जाएगा, जीरो हो जाएगा, फिर भी मिलेगा, कोलाइड हो जाएगा, जीरो हो जाएगा। आइडिया मिला सबको? मे बी द क्वेश्चन पेपर विल बी आस्किंग लाइक दैट, what is the maximum acceleration of the free electron movement? Maximum acceleration is very less compared to other element acceleration, because temperature मिलने के बाद velocity increase करके, acceleration increase करके, collision होने के बाद that velocity will be come to zero, acceleration is come to zero, it will be rest. Then the second time the velocity will be getted whenever we to apply the temperature. You can clear what happened inside of the conductor whenever we providing temperature. Idea मिला सबको? So क्वेश्चन पेपर में ज्यादा टाइम है, देखते हैं क्वेश्चन इस टाइप का है, what is the maximum acceleration of this free movement of electron? Maximum acceleration नहीं मिलेगा, it is a minimum acceleration is always existing. Clear everyone? समझ गया ना? I try to explain this particular point. Acceleration and velocity always existing a particular minimum value, not to increase gradually. क्योंकि collision के बाद always come to zero, otherwise decreases. Got it? मिला ना सबको? Okay. Then so resistance increases depends on the relaxation time. So idea is also good. Okay. So I can write like that. Point number 1. The temperature increases, collision increases, relaxation time decreases, resistance increases, and temperature increases. The velocity of electrons increases, but after collision, what happened? But after collision, the velocity of electron gradually decreases.
Thanks to
Then the next temperature will be get it. When the next temperature is applied, that time gradually increasing the velocity, gradually increasing in velocity, and repeat collision continuously. This process will be continuous. That means this process continues inside of the
conductor.
Inside of the conductor. That means the almost acceleration and velocity of the free electrons is in minimum condition. Stop it please.